Lash tips on how to apply flawless strip lashes. Get out your favorite lash glue. I'm using Duo. Grab your favorite lashes. I'm using our brand, Papa Lash by Airglow Cosmetics in the style Sunflower. Now this is what a tacky glue consistency looks like after you have allowed your eyelash glue to sit for 30 to 60 seconds. Now apply it to your strip. Using your fingers or tweezers, pop your eyelash on. Since the glue is tacky, there is no room for mistakes, resulting in an easy application of your lashes to the desired position. Now that your lashes are drying, let's create a smooth strip to minimize glue lines and to blend them with your natural lash line. To achieve this, I will use my NYX Black Epic Ink eyeliner in a simple and concise manner. Simple. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more amazing makeup tips.